And developing right now, Miami Beach, it remains under a state of emergency due to COVID-19 concerns.
For days, a flood of spring breakers has been seen partying without masks.
It comes as travel hits record levels recently, even though cases in many states continue to rise. Elise Preston reports.
Officials in Miami Beach have announced they're extending an 8 p.m. curfew in highly trafficked areas through April 12th. That after thousands of spring breakers, many maskless, flooded the streets, defying a Saturday night emergency curfew. The SWAT team needed to help break up the crowd, which some fear could spark a new coronavirus surge. The city's mayor announced the extended measure during an emergency virtual session yesterday.
There's 1,000 infections a day on most days, and 50 to 100 people are still checking into the hospital every day in Dade County. And our city isn't escaping that, even with so much of the vaccine being delivered.
Florida is leading the country in cases of the highly contagious variants first discovered in the UK and Brazil. Still, some vacationers insist the strict measures Miami Beach is implementing are excessive.
I'm from Detroit. They come to our city and act up, but our mayor don't make it a curfew because of that.
As more than a dozen states are seeing rising COVID cases, Americans are increasingly on the move. More than 1.4 million flyers went through U.S. airports on Friday, setting a pandemic record. Still, health experts remain cautiously optimistic, thanks primarily to more than 81 million American adults having received at least one vaccine dose.
There's enough of a backstop here that I don't think you're going to see a fourth surge.
More than 13% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. Elise Preston, CBS News.